Hello everyone, today we have a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. It does have a clean CarFax. You see it's very clean under the hood. Being 3 years old, it's really clean under the hood. Let me go ahead and put this hood down. Take you for a tour. Just have a metal flake in the paint. Aluminum wheels. Does have seating for 7. Go ahead and tell this to close up. It's in great condition. Go ahead and open this up. It's got black leather seats. Super easy to clean. Okay, go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN. Driver seat controls, very comfortable seats. Go ahead and turn this fan down so you can hear me better. You see that it has AM, FM, and Sirius XM. It has 74,426 miles on it. There's your push to talk and your cruise control. It also toggles between the message center, and right here you have your comfort controls. This you can just turn the screen off if it gets distracting. And you can also go to your controls. You do have heated seats in the front. Here's your nav as well. Then also important, we have our backup camera, which I love this because the screen's so huge. You also have a mirror up here to where you can see what's going on in the back. Obviously you have your lights and your other door opening controls. And that wraps it up for this Chrysler Pacifica. For other vehicles, SUVs and vans, check us out at tjchapmanauto.com.